Megan. I am a creative coach for Deco Exchange. Today we're going to make a awesome recipe that is great for multiples. We love to teach things like this in the creative coaching group. That way you can really maximize your supplies and be able to pump out a lot of pretty things. So the first thing that I chose is this large greenery bush. It is got a nice dense leaf in it, like the silver dollar flat leaf. I'm going to use this silver dollar eucalyptus. We're just going to go ahead and fluff each one of these out. I'm going to pull some of these branches towards the camera, towards my body, so it kind of elongates it even more at the bottom and the top. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. See how it elongated up in the headband right up here to kind of have some draping this way and then draping down. Sometimes if you have to give your greens a little bit of bend, that never hurts as well. So we're going to use plenty of these zip ties to attach them. Just right here to our grapevine. This is just a really great recipe to use any kind of greens, whether you want to use pine, whether you want to use fall leaves, anything like that. You could definitely recreate this with lots of different greens. Then we have this amazing filler bush that has some poppies. It has some little flowers, lots of extra greenery and different textures in it. I usually gravitate towards these because I think that they can have such a big impact on all your designs. So I'm going to go ahead and fluff that. You want to fluff everything out. And I'm going to go ahead and place this towards the top up here. And then I'm going to bring some down the side this way. So I'm going to use 2 of the same bushes. Just like that, touching and pulling every single one. If you ever have issues or need inspo or matching things, y'all, I love in creative coaching that we all have like different styles and techniques, so we can bounce ideas off of each other and work together to create some gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and do it here. So all the rest of the grapevine is exposed. If you want to learn more about creative coaching, you can always join us. But we love to break things down into like what we're using, why we're using it, and how we're using it. Just going to zip tie this through the grapevine as well. I grabbed the cutest ribbon. I can't wait to show y'all. Okay. All these greens are wired, so we'll just kind of adjust and form this around the grapevine, having some draw your eye up and draw your eye down. So now we're going to attach this one as well right through the grapevine. You wanted to put your heavier dense leaf down there just to kind of create your outline of your greens and draw your eye in and around. And then we're using our more whimsy and more texture to the top so we don't lose it behind all those thicker greens. And then pulling these up and out and all around. So this is what we have so far. Gorgeous. See how it's all textured. And then I'm going to use some ribbon just to create a gorgeous bow right there in the middle. I'm using this really pretty luxury ribbon right here, and I love that it has black with it. So let's go ahead and create a gorgeous bow for this. I'm going to go ahead and have a nice long tail because I'm going to have it falling down right in the middle of it, right here. And I'm going to do a nice pinch and a twist, and we'll do 3 loops. Just to create some off balance for 3. I tend to like 3s and 5s. So we'll do 3, and then we'll let the other loop fall. We'll cut them different lengths just so they're not all matching the same. And then let's go in and layer it one more time on top, and we'll just do 2. I like odd numbers. So we'll layer one more time, a pinch and a twist. And another one. So we have 5 loops. Excuse me. I'm going to go ahead and cinch this off with another zip tie. And then cross tee it or cross bar it. That way we can use this one to attach it to our grapevine. Pull it a little bit tighter. Fluff this bow out. The wire should make it pop as long as you have wired ribbon. Just a 5-loop bow right there. And then we're going to go in and another zip tie to extend it so we're not fighting with it to go through the grapevine and around. And add this bow in. Part the C's, make sure we have a good spot. Sometimes you got a little leafy in the way. Get those tails to lay exactly where you want them. You want them coming down this wreath, down the middle like that. And then I'm going to open this bow. I'm going to cut these down. Just on a cross. I don't need it really to be, you don't always have to do a dovetail, but if you want to, you can. And then I'm going to fluff these. They're wired. Fluff them in and around. Pulling them towards my bow a little. And there you have it. A cute little headband grapevine. I love that it's just sitting like that. So here's your grapevine. Y'all, I'll make sure I take some really pretty pictures. I hope you enjoyed this. Quick and easy multiple. If you want to look for more tutorials, step-by-step tutorials, or more in-depth tutorials, whether it's grapevine centerpieces, swags, wreaths, anything like that, we'd love for you to join us in creative coaching. But here is our gorgeous grapevine. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.